I'm missing 2 watch-alls. Uh-oh. Well, I'm gonna have to watch all it, because I ain't gonna be able to watch all the earrings. So I'm gonna have to watch all the necklace to finish it. And it'll be all watch-alled for y'all. I'll just have to get some more green beads. These beads were hard to find. Oh man. I hope I go back to that place I got them again, because they were hard to find. Now we're all watch-alled. Anyways, watch-all. Another bead. Big one here. Big silver. And crimp. Did I get them both? Nope, I got one, no. Little crimp. Gotta have a little crimp. These little crimps, man, they're rugged. Tough. That's why I like them. Just swing this ring on there. You know how we do, see? We got it set up on there, like so. Let that ring slide way down there somewhere, because we only need these right now, the crimp beads. Oh, and caught it. No, you just hold the ring, pull on the wire, tighten it all up, make sure it's good and tight. You're gonna watch-alls. So you have your watch-alls now. Now get these watch-alls and put them on the watch-all right here. And the watch-all right there. Watch-all them down now. You gotta watch-all them down. We got them watch-alled. I guess it should. Yeah, I'm pulling out pretty hard. It ain't going nowhere, so it's good. It's watch-alled. Well, we were watch-alling it. Now it's watch-alling me. We watch-alled it. Alright. Hi. We watch-alled it. Put a... like that. Yeah, so we watch-alled it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow your dreams. Thank you.